Municipal Code authorizing the creation and funding of a municipal school district in the city of Millington, and to submit the proposed ordinance to the qualified voters of the city at a referendum to be held on August 2nd, 2012, or other appropriate date.
So moved.
Second.
Any discussion?
We'd already passed an ordinance, or I think, first reading or second reading. What are we going to do with that?
Ignore it.
We don't need to table it or anything, just.
No, it's just gone. It's not going to be brought up.
Okay.
All we've done is the sales tax part.
Yeah, that was passed by 3 readings. We had passed the initial reading, I think, on this.
Well, it all had to be rewritten
Yeah, I
to
understand.
comply with state law after they did it, so we
I
just
just didn't
started.
know what we were going to do with that since we passed it once.
And that's why this
Starting
one has
over.
a different number.
Yeah, okay. Now, is this the same wording that's on the ordinances for other municipalities? Pretty much.
It's pretty close.
Okay.
The only thing that it does, it now refers to the TCA codes and public chapters and the wherewithals that the other one didn't.
Okay.
So we had to refer to that.
Thank you.
I've been asked the question several times. I know that originally the law read that there would only be 6.
Still does.
Still does, so
Still does.
there could be a
Could be a
problem
problem.
if everyone in the
It could be
municipality
odd man out
vote. Okay.
if it passes.
Right. And if it does pass, it authorizes but does not
Does
mean
not mandate.
that you absolutely have to start a school system.
No, you still have to apply to the State Department of Education and be approved.
Anything else? May we have roll call?
Mr. Kite?
Aye.
Mr. Lowry?
Aye.
Mr. Brown?
Aye.
Mr. Morgan?
Aye.
Mr. Carruthers?
All right.